Good evening, everybody. It's 9 o'clock, or excuse me, 9:32 on the 16th on Saturday. Doing a 4-box break of black and gold 2014 football. Good luck to everyone, and we are getting started. Pack 1, and pack 2. All right. These packs are always monster to open. Come on. Does not want to cooperate. There we go. All right. This is the first box, 2-pack, black and gold. And good luck, everybody. Let's see what we got. First, we're going to seal of approval for Mr. Clowney for the Texans. Numbered 59 out of 149. Come on, Cameron. Yeah. Numbered to 149. Next card is Mr. Lacey. These are sometimes you got to pay attention to these because a lot of people don't see this. This is a shadow box of, it's still a 1 of 1 for Eddie Lacy for Green Bay. I missed one of those a few breaks back. Didn't realize until after the break was done. Don't see too many of those 1 of 1. Next hit is going to Jenkins for Tampa Bay. Numbered 149 out of 199. Auto solid patch. Next, we have Mr. Benjamin for the Panthers. 3 patch. All solid. 2 black, 1 blue. 85 out of 299. Going to Carolina Panthers. Next is Mr. Hearns for the Jacksonville Jaguars. It's numbered 199. 76 out of 199. Going to Jacksonville. Next, we have Archer for the Steelers. 175 out of 199. Going to the Steelers. Next card we have going to the Raiders. 231 out of 299. Derek Carr, 4 patch. All solid. Going to the Raiders. Next, Devontae Adams, 87 out of 199. Solid color patch auto. Going to Green Bay. Next we have, nice. That's one of the clear cuts. It's numbered to 99. It's hard to see. There you go. Now you can see it. Autograph patch. Going to the Colts for Mattis. That's pretty neat. I've only seen one other of those. There's something in the background of it, but I can't tell what it is. See the blue color in it? I don't know. Anyway, nice hit for the Colts. And last card out of the first box, Tony Romo, seal of approval, 17 out of 149 going to the Cowboys. That's a nice hit for the Cowboys. Those some thick cards. All right, guys, second box. Pack 1, pack 2. All right. these packs until they're full. And second pack. Alright guys, there is the second box. Let's get started and see what we got. First shot's going to team symbols for Mr. Manuel for Buffalo. And that's numbered 5 out of 25. Next one is Moncrief for the Colts. That one's a low numbered as well. 25. 3 of 25 for the Colts. And next card is going to Tampa Bay. Mr. Jenkins is back. 4-color patch auto numbered 15 out of 49 for Mr. Jenkins and the Bucks. Next, we have the Bucks. This is Mike Evans, 3-patch solid, 109 out of 299, going to the Bucks. Next card, Aaron Rodgers, numbered 199 for Green Bay. Next card, Zach Stacy for the Rams, 18 out of 199. Next card, Derek Carr again for the Raiders, 3-patch solid color, 197 out of 299, going to the Raiders. Next card, you got Matthews for the Eagles, 190, numbered 23 out of 199, autographed jumbo solid patch. Last card of the second box is for Mr. Bree, seal of approval, and that is a silver, so it's numbered to 25, 12 out of 25 for the Saints. All right, third box. Like I said, guys, we've got some more people that's got onto the page. Tomorrow, we're breaking the rest of the 5-star, the rest of the black and gold. So we got a 2-box of 5-star, 4-box of black and gold, and a 2-box of National Treasures going down tomorrow. They are on eBay. They're within 20 hours of ending. So guys, go check it out. Get involved with me, and we'll do it again tomorrow. Showed you that one. Alright, 2 packs for the third box. Let's get started and see what we got. First one, seal of approval, RG3 for the Redskins. And that's numbered 49 of 149. Next one's going to Mike Evans, patch autograph, 63 out of 99. Bucks are doing pretty good in this break so far. Now that card's going to have to be random off. There we go. Next one we got Rodney White and Colston. So we have the Falcons and the Saints dual patch, 21 out of 99. So we'll have to random that off. I guess we better get the random going. So I ain't sitting around waiting. Alright, we'll random that one off at the end of the break. Next one's McFadden for the Raiders, 82 out of 199, who's no longer there. And I'm a big Raiders fan, so glad to hear it. He ain't done nothing for the last 2 years but sit on the bench and let us pay him. Alright, next one is for Jackson, Tampa Bay again. Seal of approval, number 71 out of 149. Going to the Bucks. Next, old school, Mr. 19 out of 49 for the Rams. Next card is Mr. Matthews for the Eagles. 3 solid patch, 98 out of 299 for the Eagles. Next one is Let's see, Mr. Thomas, D'Anthony Thomas, going to the Chiefs. Auto jumbo patch, 146 out of 199. Chiefs are on the board. And the last one of the third box is Team Symbols, and that is McCarron for the Bengals, 21 out of 99. All right, guys, last box of the black and gold until tomorrow. We'll finish the rest of the case tomorrow. Like I said, they're on eBay, guys. Jump in and get you a team for tomorrow. Ain't nothing wrong, because I'm sitting around on Sunday getting in the breakers. I ain't gonna lie to you, I buy into a couple of them that's later on, so when I get done doing my live breaks, I can get involved in breaks. Try to get something out of it. And the guys are real big fans of the black and gold. Keep up with my eBay, because I have some hits that I've been involved in the breakers that I'm gonna put on eBay for sale. They're one's a Odell Beckham Jr. auto patch. One's a Eli and Peyton Manning dual patch number to 25. There's a couple nice hits that I've picked up over the last couple of months in breaks. Alright, guys. Last two packs of the fourth box. This will end it. And then we will do the random for the dual jersey card we have for Atlanta and the Saints. First one, Cam Newton for Carolina. 26 out of 199. Next is McCarron for the Bengals. 3 patch, 1 white, 2 black, all solid. 244 out of 299 going to the Bengals. Next, Trey Mason auto. Look at that patch, though. That is a good looking piece of the patch. It's numbered to 49, number 2 out of 49. That was good looking, though. 3-color patch. That might be black and blue, so you might have 4-color patch. Nice hit for the Rams. And Andrew Luck, seal of approval for the Colts. 51 out of 149 going to the Colts. Next one. Got Calvin Johnson for Detroit. Team Symbols. Nice lowered number for a symbol. 11 out of 25. Nice hit. Next one is going to Mr. A.J. Green for the Bengals. Jumbo patch. Numbered 7 out of 99. Going to the Bengals. That's a good looking card. Next, we got C.J. Spiller for Buffalo. 33 out of 99. Nice autograph on that for Buffalo. Nice C.J. Excuse me. And then we've got Blake Bortles, numbered to 199. 180 out of 199 for Jacksonville. Last card of the break, guys, is Mr. Murray for Kansas City. And that's 4 out of 99. Do any of you guys need a recap, or everybody good? Just let me know. Give it a minute or two for y'all to give me an answer. Excuse me. Some of you guys aren't logged in, so if anybody had commercials or something, just let me know. Of course, it'll be on YouTube here in about 30, 40 minutes. Guys, y'all come back and join me tomorrow. Let's do this again. 4 boxes of black and gold, 2 national treasures, 2 5-star football. And if you wasn't in the 5-star football break, guys, we had 2 huge smacks in that 2 first box. So hopefully that second box will be just as good, if not better. Let's see, you want to see the Mason patch? Yes, sir. Mr. Mason, Mr. Mason. There you go. There's Here's the Mason patch again. That's a good looking patch, man. I can't tell if it's the lighting I have in here. It makes everything shiny, so it's a little hard for me to see. I can't tell if you got dark blue, then black. So you might have 1, 2, then the tan, and then the white. It might be a 4-color patch. I mean, looking at it on my own screen, it looks like you got blue and black, white and tan, but I would say it's a 4-color, but like I said, you're getting better light. That was very good. Oh, yes, sir. TJ, not a problem, buddy. I appreciate you joining me tonight. Come back and see me again tomorrow. And like I said, we're going to run through it all week. Now I'm going to do the randomizer, and we're going to call it a night. Alright, guys. This is the card that we are randoming off. It's a little hard to see because of the light behind it, but it's a dual patch. 21 out of 99. And this is white and Colston. And it's the Falcons and the Saints. Alright, first we're going to go to the dice roller. We got 2 dice. Get it where you guys can see it. And we're going to random it 7 times. 7 times. Alright, back to my home. And we'll go to randomizer list. And we're going left to right. So we got white. And we got alrighty, guys, we're doing it 7 times, and as you can see, left to right. You might not be able to, but I'm trying to. Anyway, left to right, we got whites on the left, Colston's on the right. 7 times, guys. Let me see if I can get you up here a little bit closer without pushing a bunch of buttons. All right. There's number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Last one, guys. Good luck to both of you. And the card is going to the Saints. The Saints take the dual patch number to 99. Going to the Saints. Now I got the background out of there. I'll show it to you again. Going to the Saints. Nice dual patch. Congratulations, Saints. Alright, guys. Y'all have a great evening. Give it about 30-40 minutes, and these 2 videos, the 5-star and the black and gold, will be on YouTube. Again, search Ballpark Collectibles. Find it's right at the top. You'll see an icon of a storefront. Click on that. It's got all my breaks, and they are dated the day that they broke. Guys, have a great night. Hope to see y'all tomorrow. Thank you.